Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to enable Hibernate mode and fixed Hibernate option, which is missing in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do in order to enable your Hibernate mode is here at the bottom search bar. Please type for Control Panel. Once you have typed that, please proceed with the best match and go with open to continue and wait until a new window would appear, which is your all control panel items. So if your window or view doesn't look like this, simply proceed at the upper right side of the screen, go with view by and change it into large icons. Once done, proceed with power options. Click on it and here in this window, proceed at the left side of that and look for choose what the power buttons do. Click on it and here, as you can see, all of the options are being grayed out. And in order to modify or change the shutdown settings, change all of the settings, go with change settings that are currently unavailable. Click on it and here you can now see Hibernate, go with Save Changes. And in this manner, you have just enabled the Hibernate mode in your Windows. But let's say, unfortunately, the Hibernate mode is missing in your Windows. I have experienced that issue, and I was able to fix my problem using the steps. So here at the bottom search bar, you need to type for CMD. Okay, 100% assurance your Hibernate mode would be appearing here in your control panel. Okay, so go with run as administrator. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, simply proceed with yes so that you would be able to open this window. Where here you need to type for power CFG space / hibernate on. Again, type for power CFG space / hibernate on and click on enter. The moment you have the click on it, close this window, and there you have that. I'm sure you would be able to have your Hibernate options in your control panel. So navigate the same process and check if it's there. Thank me later. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.